was born and raised in Boston, a town you all know well. Brought up by honest parents, the truth to you I'll tell. Brought up by honest parents and reared most tenderly, until I became a rambling lad at the age of 23. My character was broken and I was sent to jail. My friends and parents did their best for to get me out on bail, but the jury they found me guilty, and the judge he wrote it down. For breaking up the Union Bank, you are sent to Charlottetown. I can see my dear old father standing at the bar, and likewise my dear mother tearing out her hair, tearing out her old grey locks as the tears came tumbling down. My son, what have you done to be sent to Charlottetown? I stepped on board an eastbound train one cold December day, and at every station that I passed, I could hear the people say, there goes the Boston burglar, in strong arms he is bound. For breaking up the Union Bank, he is sent to Charlottetown. There's a girl in Boston City, a girl I love so well, and if I had my liberty, with her I'd love to dwell. If I had my liberty, bad company I was young, and likewise walking late at night, and likewise drinking rum. Now you that have your liberty, keep it if you can, and don't go midnight rambling or break the laws of man. 'Cause if you do, you're sure to lose, and you'll end up just like me. You'll be sentenced down for 20 years in the penitentiary. You'll be sentenced